Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create or pack your files into RAR and zip archives using app called RAR. So first of all, you need to download this app, and we've shown you how to do that in our other video. Now let's locate the files that we want to unpack, and mine are located in DCIM and then camera. There's 3 pictures which I'm gonna pack. Now press all of the files that you want to pack, like this, and then press on this plus button. That way you'll enter archiving options. Here you can pick the extension for this RAR or zip file, so here I'm gonna use it RAR. You can of course just change it to zip. You can set the password for this archive. I'm gonna use 123 and show the password if you're not sure that you typed it incorrectly, or encrypt the file names as well. Click OK to save that. You can optionally change the name of this RAR file. I'm gonna call it pictures. You can delete the files after archiving or create solid archives. Now after everything here is set, you can move to advanced to change advanced settings, or to the options to change more advanced options. In the comment, you can leave any comment about this RAR file and click OK if you're ready. That way you'll create this picture as that RAR file. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.